Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the most requested video on this channel. Magnetic lashes. Yes, I realize they're not in there because I've already tried them out and I didn't feel like putting them back in the box. As you can see, they are not on my lashes, so that'll tell you a little bit about how this video went. But if you want to see me attempt to put on magnetic lashes, keep watching. So it has the instructions on the back, and then on the top it has helpful tints, and it says don't curl your natural lashes prior to applying magnetic lashes, and it says to apply 1 coat of mascara to your natural lashes first to provide a base for laying the upper lashes in place. Okay, that actually makes sense because I actually have tried these out. I tried them out the other night when I first got them just to kind of get the hang of it before I started making the video because I didn't want to waste a bunch of time filming over and over again if I couldn't get them on. So I have tried these, but I tried them without any mascara on. So I think putting the mascara on and then placing the top lash on top of that, it's going to be enough of a sticky base to then put the other lash on.
Position the upper prong above your natural lashes and lower prong directly beneath it. Press prongs together and quickly release to connect upper and lower lashes.
Okay, it sounds really simple, but the problem I found when I was using the applicator, this is the applicator that it comes with. It has a little magnet on the top and a little magnet on the bottom. This is like the cheapest little thing. So the problem I found when I was using the applicator is that the magnets on the lashes almost stuck better to the applicator than to each other. So I would close it on my eyelash and the outer corner would catch, but then I'd go to pull this away and the inner corner would stay attached to the applicator, and then it would like kind of pull the lash off. Well, I'm just going to show you. So they are labeled in here. The ones on top are the upper lashes, the ones on the bottom are the bottom lashes. So you take the top lash and you put it on the top part of the applicator. And you take the bottom lash and put it on the bottom part of the applicator. Oops. Oh, I just did that backwards. Facing away from you. So you do have to kind of pry this thing apart to get the lashes on there. And then also I find you have to hold them open like that to get them around your eyelash, because I mean, that's not a lot of space to kind of like get it in around your lashes. So I find that you actually have to open it up quite a bit. Kind of place it above your lash and slowly, this is the hard part, trying to like slowly let go of this so that you can actually close it. That's the difficult part too. So get it positioned, slowly let it go, and then close. Okay, so the top comes off pretty easy. They're definitely, okay. Oh, so I had to kind of hold on to the inside of my eyelash and then pull it over to the side. And even then, yeah, it's not a super close application. You can see a good strip of my natural lash. To remove these, you kind of want to slide them away, like kind of do this motion so that the magnets disconnect rather than just yanking them off your eyelash. So I'm gonna try that again and see if we can get a little closer. Ah, and also having something this close to your eye is kind of disconcerting. Okay, they're on. Quite a bit of room to admit, especially in this inner corner. I'm gonna try putting on some mascara and see if that helps hold it in place enough to give this a real fighting chance. Okay, and I'm gonna quickly try to get them on because I feel like the mascara is gonna have to still be a little bit wet in order for this to help the situation. Nice and close. Yeah, see, I didn't slide it over this time, and the bottom lash is still on there. Okay, I'm just gonna try doing this with my fingers. I'm gonna place the top lash where I want it on top of my natural lashes and hope that that mascara kind of keeps it in place. And then I'm going to go in with the bottom lash. Ah, It's like not even connecting. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so I feel like I got them connected on the outer corner and they're actually quite close to my lash line. But this inner corner is like impossible to get placed. Let me see if I can kind of hold this side together and undo just the inner corner. Nope, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna try this again with my fingers. So placing it on top of my lashes. Maybe I'll hold my finger there to hold that inner corner in place. That was closer. Well, no, not really. Let's see if I can just kind of push it up into position. Hey, that kind of worked. Look at that. Sweet. I feel like that's the best. Oh, never mind. There's quite a large gap on the outer corner. Let's see if I can push that into place. I feel like some of my own lashes didn't quite get in between. Well, I feel like that was a lot better on the inner corner. Also, is it just me or do these kind of just lay like straight this way rather than going up? Most lashes when I wear them go more up. So I was able to kind of lift up the top of the lash and then scooch them closer to my lash line. And I feel like that's probably as good as it's gonna get. They definitely feel a little weird, like I can feel that my natural lashes aren't on the bottom. I don't know, it's just a weird feeling. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on the other eye and see if we can do the left eye because I have not tried doing the left eye yet, just the right eye. I want to try this applicator on the left eye because I feel like it was not really made for this eye. Like this one, yeah, it's easy to do that. But this one, I feel like you're blocking your other eye, so it's very hard to see. They almost need to make two. One for this eye to go on this way, and one for this eye to go on this way, because this is going to be very difficult because you can't see out of this eye. And then this thing in front of your face, it's really hard to get a good view from that side as well. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? Oh, that didn't even, I don't know what happened there. Like I said, I couldn't see anything that was happening. I feel like this applicator is just a big waste of your time. I definitely feel like this is easier to just go in with your fingers. Kind of place it where you want it to be. But even that's pretty tricky because it doesn't want to lay right on the lash line where I want it. I feel like the magnets on this one don't even want to stick together properly. They don't quite line up. I think they're stuck on, but again, we've got that huge gap in the front, so we'll see if we can slide them up. Okay, I give up with this side. This is not working, and I have to go pick up my kids. If you've tried these out and have found a way to make them work, let me know, because I would love to make these work. I love the idea behind them. I love that they don't use glue, so they end up not wrecking your lashes as much. Also, they would end up being usable more times because you're not wrecking the false lashes with glue. Glue over time, it just gungs up on your lashes as much as you try to pick it off, and eventually they're just unusable anymore. And that lash glue ends up stuck in your lashes and it can pull some of your hairs out. Not to say that that's all, I mean, that's all not great, but it definitely won't keep me from wearing false lashes, the regular kind. So I really like the concept behind these, but they're ridiculous to try to put on. Okay, so I just went and put on a different pair of lashes. These are actually the Ardell Foam Ink Wispies. These are beautiful and soft and quite nice. I'm glad I got a backup for those magnetic lashes because they just did not work for me. I will obviously have to put some more effort into it and see if I can make them happen, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work super great. Maybe if I put like a little dot of glue on the inner and outer corner just to hold the top one in place so I can put the bottom lash on, that might work. We'll see. I will have to let you guys know. If I do find a way to make these work, I will comment in the comment section of this video letting you know an update. Okay, that's everything. Bye guys. See you in my next one.